Okay, everyone, I'm Angelo Guerrero. This is my brother Jaime Guerrero. We've got another delivery. What do we have today?
We've got the Zelos Spearfish dual time carbon Supernova.
I know the Supernova is especially coveted on the Zelos forum, so this one's exciting to see finally here in our hands. Let's go unbox it.
The last time I saw a Supernova was during the Aurora titanium 42 millimeter.
Oh wow, that's almost like Repsol orange colors right there.
Yeah.
Alright, so the Supernova Spearfish dual time GMT, I mean, it's on my wrist right now. It feels so light. What do you have on right now?
I've got the carbon Vitesse chronograph.
That's also so light, but you know what, the wrist wear of this one, it feels definitely the carbon lightness, especially with the canvas style strap, you know, the contrast stitching. It just feels and wears really, really well. So let's talk about some of the specs. The case diameter, of course, is 40 millimeter, and it wears really well. It's not too big, not too small at all, and lug to lug of 47 millimeter. The thickness is about 10 millimeters without the crystal, but you know, with the crystal, it's not protruding too much. It has that nice three-dimensional effect. The movement is a Swiss Alita SW300 with a TT651 module. Grand date, of course, GMT with the 24-hour subdial. You know, what's also special is that this thing has a custom rotor designed specifically by Zelos. The crystal on the watch is about 2.5 millimeter thick, which gives this nice 3D effect. And it's a vintage style domed sapphire crystal with AR coating.
And the Spearfish dual time has Super Luminova C3 BGW9 and it's orange lume.
Yeah, and it definitely contrasts nicely with the stitching, both of them appearing with the orange on orange effect, right, against the black interplay of the colors. So the overall colorway looks really, really nice. And the watch has a canvas leather strap with a nice PVD buckle. The package, of course, includes a travel case, which is a 3-watch roll with the warranty card. So my first impressions is this one's a keeper, and I'm so happy that this has actually been released now. I've been eyeing it up since the first time I saw it, and this orange on orange effect against the black carbon and the black canvas, it's just something I don't have currently in one watch collection. So I'm really excited about it. I know I mentioned the Repsol Honda earlier, and that's not in the garage today, but maybe I need to get one to match the watch. What do you think, Jaime?
Yeah, sounds good.
Which one, the watch or the Repsol Honda?
Oh, the watch.
All right, well, enjoyed the video, definitely thumbs up and subscribe to our channels. And until next time, enjoy the wrist time.